Hello, this is Carrie for Redesign with Prima, and today we're going to give this metal lantern a new look. We wanted to share some ideas on how you can take your existing home decor or thrift store finds and freshen them up and have them match your decor at home. Here I'm misting the metal a little bit with some water, and I'm adding our crescent green chalk paste. The chalk paste can be used as a paint, or it can be used as a dimensional medium to use with your stencils. We offer 30 colors. I chose this green. I think it's really beautiful. And you can see that the coverage is really nice. I'm only going to go for one layer on this piece because I'm going to be adding other layers of color as well. So you can see where it just goes into all those fine details perfectly. And there it is with just one coat. Looks great. Next, I'm going to add our mint condition glaze from the CC Restyle collection. I'm going to lightly mist the surface again, and I'm going to take my brush and just add light coats going over the surface very lightly. And I still want some of that original color to come through, just to give it a little bit more dimension and interest. I'm going for kind of a boho aged look. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's what I'm going for. You can certainly choose any color combinations that suit your home, or maybe even as a gift for someone if you choose. And next I decided to add some gold detailing to all the little circles and little pieces on there that have interesting shapes. So I'm adding gilding glue with a small brush. It's a Finnabair gilding glue, and this glue goes on white, and then you know it's ready to add your metallic flakes once it turns almost clear. So it's very, very sticky, so make sure that you wash your brush immediately after you're done doing this part. There you can see where I added it, and now I'm just going to take the flakes and lightly dab them onto the surfaces where I've added the glue. You just want to layer the metallic flakes over it. You don't want to press too hard or move it around, because you will end up not getting a nice coverage because the glue is still not dry. So then you'll run into some issues where it's just moving around and not covering where you want. So there we are, just dabbing that on there. And then the next step will be taking a soft brush and removing all the extra little bits that are hanging off. You just want to go over it with a soft brush and just dab that away. And you want to make sure the glue is dry at this point as well. I usually wait about a half an hour or so, and you can see that those little metal flakes come right off, and the brush also works the gold into all the surfaces really, really nicely too. Perfect. And the last layer that I'm going to add is some decor wax. This is called Sepia. This is from our Art Alchemy line with Finnabair and her wax brush. And I'm just going to take some wax and put it on the very tip of the brush, and then just brush over the surface in random areas, not all, even. I just want it to look more aged and authentic this way. But you can certainly do that. You can certainly add it however you prefer the look. But I liked the more authentic aged antique look, so that's why I'm just lightly brushing in areas and not worrying too much about even coverage, and I think it looks really, really nice at the end. And there you have it. I love how this looks. It's all finished now. And you can go over this and seal it with a clear wax because you've already added some wax. A clear wax would seal it very beautifully and perfectly. And here you are. So thank you so much for watching, and please give us a follow and a like and subscribe to our channel today. And we'll have all the product descriptions and links in our description.